Hi guys! Today I would like to offer you a free sample of the course English Starter. You've got a link in the description if you want to get the course. And this is an exercise that I strongly recommend you to do, is to read out loud. This is the best way to improve your speaking skills. Okay, so obviously in the course all the voices are English native speaker, and I'm not an English native speaker, so this is not my voice in the course, but I show you here that you can reach this level and maybe you can get a better level. So let's get started. A black and white answer. You might expect that science, particularly American science, would be colorblind. Though fewer people from some of the country's ethnic minorities are scientists than the proportion of those minorities in the population suggests should be the case, once someone has got bench space in a laboratory, he might reasonably expect to be treated on merit and nothing else. Unfortunately, a study just published by Donna Ginter of the University of Kansas suggests that is not true. Dr. Ginter, who was working on behalf of America's National Institutes of Health (NIH), looked at the pattern of research grants awarded by the NIH and found that race matters a lot. Moreover, it is not just a question of white supremacy. Asian and Hispanic scientists do just as well as white ones. Black scientists, however, do badly. Dr. Ginter and her colleagues analyzed grants awarded by the NIH between 2000 and 2006 and correlated this information with the self-reported race of more than 40,000 applicants. The results show that the chance of a black scientist receiving a grant was 17%. For Asians, Hispanics, and whites, the number was between 26% and 29%. Even when these figures were adjusted to take into account applicants' prior education, awards, employment history, and publications, a gap of 10 percentage points remained. This bias appears to arise in the NIH's peer review mechanism. Each application is reviewed by a panel of experts. The race of the applicant is not divulged to the panel. However, Dr. Ginter found that applications from black scientists were less likely to be rewarded a score than those from similarly qualified scientists of other races. One possible explanation is that review panels are inferring applicants' ethnic origins from their names or the institutions they attended as students. Consciously or not, the reviewers may then be awarding less merit to those people with black-sounding names or who were educated at universities whose students are predominantly black. Indeed, a similar bias has been found in those recruiting for jobs in the commercial world. A study published in 2003 by researchers of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology found that fictitious CVs with stereotypically white names elicited 50% more offers of interviews than did CVs with black names, even when the applicants' stated qualifications were identical. Though Dr. Günther's results are troubling, it is to the NIH's credit that it has published her findings. The agency is also starting a program intended to alter the composition of the review panels. Other agencies, and not just in America, should pay strict attention to all this and ask themselves if they too are failing people of particular races. Such discrimination is not only disgraceful, but also a waste of talent. Adapted from The Economist, August 2011, 457 words. So as I said, this is good material because this is The Economist is a serious paper, so you can get really good, proper written English. and reading it out loud. It's a good way to make your brain memorize good written with proper pronunciation. So I recommend you to get the course. This is a link in the description, and see you in the next video.